Hello everybody. We will continue over this chapter working with tables. In last session, we covered what is primary key, foreign key. For the better explanation of primary key and foreign key, we'll going to understand these three tables. See, country table, state table and city table. In country table, there are only two fields, country ID and country name. This is our in country ID. In country table, country ID is our primary key. Suppose country ID IND1, country name India. Same way PAK2, its name will be Pakistan. Same way UK3, its name is sorry. This way we will give field name and enter the records. In this table, country ID is our primary key. Now we will going to create another table, state. Because each country will be available, then only states will come. In state table, our fields are state ID, state name and country ID. Because Gujarat is from state ID. Gujarat is in India. So we are calling country ID from country table. It is a primary key. Country ID is primary key in country table. But when we call it in state table, this is become a foreign key. Because if we enter the record in country table, then only it will come into the state table. It's depend on it. So it is called a foreign key. State ID. GUJ1, MH2, MK3. We will give the ID as per our requirement. State ID. First India, then state, and then we will create a city table. See the fields of city table. Pin code. Because pin code is the unique value. Pin code will never repeat. Same pin code are never possible for the different city. City name may be possible. It will be repeated. Same name city will be in India in different states. But the pin code is the unique for the each city. So pin code is the primary key in city table. City is the field, city, area and state ID. In one city there are multiple pin code. See in our Surat, Nanpura area is a different pin code. Udna area is a different pin code. Ring Road area is a different pin code. When you enter the name of your area, pin code will be there. So, area must be compulsory and state ID. See, in state, we are taking country ID. In city, we are taking state ID. State ID is come from state table. So, it is called a foreign key. But pin code is a unique value. Pin code will never repeat it. So it's the primary key. Now I hope you will be clear the difference between primary key and foreign key. Primary key, the record which we want that the duplicate value will never accept. For that field, we are managed as a primary key. And foreign key, the record which come from another table. It was a primary key of that table. Same field come here, it called a foreign key. See, country, state and city. India, country table, country ID is a primary key. But in state table, country ID is a foreign key. I hope it is sufficient for this. I already underlined the table which contains primary key is known as master table. See, country table, country is a primary key. State table, state ID primary key, but country ID foreign key. City table, city ID is a primary key, state ID is a foreign key. Why? Referencing country table, because it reference from another table. In supplier table, S code is a primary key, pin code referencing from city table. See, these are the this is the design of our table, our database. As per this design, we are going to create our database. What is database? Collection of multiple tables. In what is table? In which we can arrange our data. What is fields? The fields and records. Fields, heading of that tables. Accordingly, that fields we are entering the data. And records, as for that field, we are entering record the information. These are the primary and foreign keys of the each table discussed in sample database. So this is very important. You must be read it properly. You must be understand. If you have any doubt, you can call me any time after 8 p.m. Order detail, they are giving here different table. See, order and order detail. Order ID, order ID. Combination of more than one field which designated as a primary key is also known as composite primary key. See, here is order ID. In order table, order ID is a primary key. In order detail also, order ID is a primary key. These both are primary key in different table. So it is called as composite primary key. Combination of more than one primary key is known as composite primary key. Underline that line that was italic in your textbook. Defining composite primary key. Sometimes tables like order payment and order shipment are also designed. See, order ID, payment ID. This is a very vast subject. In this table, we just learn that how to create a table, how to enter records, how to edit that records. So, what is the relationship between tables in a base? Now, what is meant by relationship? In our daily routine life, we have a different type of relationship: blood relationship, colleague relationship, school friends, college friends, different types of relationship we have. But now here we are going to create a relationship between tables in base. What is base? Now you are aware with this word. Base is a database in which we are going to create our tables. This is a software, base software. By now you might have designed as a tables have we discussed. Assume that a record of a new customer from Goregaon, Mumbai, Maharashtra needs to be entered in customer table. Till now, Maharashtra is not entered in the state table. Neither the Goregaon area of the Mumbai city has been entered in the city table. Insert a record of a customer with pin code value 452001. Here the value 452001 is the pin code of Goregaon area in Mumbai city in the state of Maharashtra. Base will accept the record entered by you. But think logically, should this record enter by allowed? Now we should not allow such entry to be done in customer table. The reason is very simple. There is no corresponding record in the city table. that the related which with this entry. To enforce such restriction, we should use relationship feature of base. Establishing relationship between tables, we restrict the user from entering garbage data in reference field. If you don't have a record, you cannot create the state table in your, you cannot create a you cannot enter the Maharashtra in your state table. Then how you can enter Maharashtra in your city table, customer table? You can enter the XYZ customer, city Goregaon, state Maharashtra. How is it possible if you don't enter Maharashtra state in your state table? So this is a relationship. We will see it detail later next chapter, next session. Today I'm going to conclude this session here. Thank you very much.